guys, welcome back to my channel. So this new vlog, I'm not going to say this week's vlog because I'm clearly not doing weekly vlogs because, you know, I'm having too much fun in the sun. I can't be bothered to sit and open my computer for hours a day and edit, but it's fine because I'll get all these videos out eventually. But this vlog is all about St. Patrick's Day in Dublin, and it's going to be a good one. I had a blast spending the weekend in Dublin. I haven't celebrated St. Patrick's Day in 5 years, I think. 4 or 5 years, because I've been working in restaurants and bars and stuff, which is also fun because I get to make lots of money. But it's not the same as actually going out and getting drunk with some friends. So I'm going to show you what that weekend was all about. Let's get into it. So little intermission. That was the first couple days in Dublin. I closed down a bar in Dublin, which is unheard of for me in general because I'm an old lady and I like to go to bed at like 1 o'clock. But bars close there at like 4 a.m. So I didn't fall asleep until like 5:30 on Friday night. And then Saturday was kind of a write-off. I still ended up going out again with the new friends that I made, and then going to bed a bit earlier, like 2 a.m., and getting ready for St. Patrick's Day, which is the next little bit I'm going to show you. So let's look at that now. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I can't even express my love for the people I met and Ireland in general. Like, I didn't get out to see too much in Dublin. Obviously, I just saw a lot of bars, which is great. I didn't enjoy the Guinness tour as much as I enjoyed the Jameson tour, but that's also because I love Jameson and not Guinness. But I did have a couple pints because, you know, when in Ireland, gotta have a couple pints of Guinness. But yeah, I loved the friends I made. I can't wait to see them again one day. They're from America, so not too far to go see them from home. So yeah, it was just an amazing weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and the next one will be up when it's up. It's gonna be some more of Ireland. My camera was a wreck that weekend, so I don't know what kind of footage I have, but we're gonna see. So see you next time.